Look at that.
It's just a nice little fun thing to do. That leftover stuff.
Well, when it's free, you're going to get a lot of people, I'm telling you. Look at that pot.
All right.
Anytime you're ready, Jay.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yo, Slasher, it's pizza night. What are we doing? Oh, it's not.
I think it's pizza early.
It's during the day. Anyway, man, perfect time to cook up some pizza. And this is pizza day. All right,
So, hey, rumor has
so
it
what do
that
we got going on, Slash? What are you doing here?
this is the Pilgrim
You got
pizza.
all the stuff right here.
This is the Pilgrim. This is what they did. I heard
Looks
that
like-
the leftovers. The Pilgrims are like, how do we use the leftovers
Oh,
to
yeah.
make a pizza, right? I think that's gotta be it.
Yeah.
People already doing
Right.
Thanksgiving before Thanksgiving. They got these leftovers.
Yeah, that was the first pizza, I think, was
First
Pilgrim
pizza,
Pizza.
yeah.
right? So obviously, there's turkey, there's mashed taters, there's stuffing. Look at this. Cranberry from the cranberry bog. That's what Slasher do on part-time.
Walks in the box.
Yeah. And yeah, all the fixings. We got the gravy, and here's the dough. It's been rising. And this is handmade fresh dough by the Slasher, of course. That's the best. All right. So it's time to put this thing together, right? So breakfast pizza.
Check that stove. Look at that stove. That stove is going
Yeah,
right
this is
up.
going-
That's good. We got some good temperature.
We want to get it to probably. We're showing 550 now, so that's really good. We want to be at least up in there for this pizza to get it right. So, all right. Start with the cornmeal.
We're just going to start right in. We don't have much cooking.
No.
Everything's pretty much cooked. Get our dough ready.
The first Thanksgiving pizza.
Now this has been rising. How long
This
is
is all risen. This is done.
Oh, it's good.
This is done. This is done.
Good. Good pizza requires a perfect dough and crust.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll get it on the bag now. No, this is not gluten free either. This
No.
is real pizza.
Yeah, this is yeah.
Now this is how you make a good pie. You got to stretch it. You can spin it in the air, but that's more theatrics than anything. And you need a little more flour. Now, if you're at a good pizzeria, you see the chefs do this, right? Get that dough laid out, sprinkle a little bit more flour, keep spreading it. Look at that.
Anytime you try to push it out, it feeds it back in, just like the store-bought stuff.
All right.
This is the way you do it right here.
It's nice to practice, like tossing it up there and all that stuff. Sometimes you get lucky and it works. Oh, it's a little SPG right here on the bell.
A little seasoning.
Just
A little salt, pepper, a little garlic flavor. Do what you want. Now, the gravy.
Now it's with the gravy.
Gotta get the gravy.
We gotta treat this like it's our sauce. Just try it. Yeah. That's nice to.
That's Graham's gravy right
It's
there.
nice to try. Yeah. And plus, it's a little cold this morning, so we're gonna work it.
Actually, it was 31 degrees this morning.
Yep.
Perfect pizza weather, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We got good temp on that oven. That's the important thing, right? Especially on a cold morning.
What do you try to get? What temp do you like to cook with your pizza?
700,
Yeah.
750.
Gravy on.
Good.
Now,
So I got some of our
here's the turkey.
turkey. Yeah.
George Washington's pick for our national bird. But everybody liked the eagle because it looked prettier. But the turkey is smart, clever, fantastic food, by the way. You don't want to eat eagles, right? So put on some of that turkey.
This is gonna be leftover fat bird pie.
Yeah, I like it. That bird pie.
It's just a nice little fun thing to do. That leftover stuffing congeals very nice. Make it into pizza.
Oh, you could do all kinds of stuff. And soups to make. Tetrazzini. All kinds of other stuff.
Now, mashed taters on your pizza.
That's it.
Potato pizzas are actually quite the thing now. A lot of pizzerias are selling them, and they're actually quite good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know, so when looks like we got some stuffing being rolled into meatballs.
It's rolled up for you already.
I'm gonna just use what you just made.
Yep.
I'm gonna use those.
Oh, perfect. There we go. All right.
It just makes
Look at that.
it makes it easy.
Yeah, you're right.
Look at your stuffing meatballs.
Oh man.
Yeah, like that. Really? We got some cranberry.
Here's the sweet and the tart.
Yeah, a lot of tart.
This is going to be a red pizza.
That's it.
All right.
Yeah. A little bit, just a little tad. Let's put on top.
Have enough
Now we got
SPG.
our turkey seasoning here. Got about 7 different spices inside of it. It's that yellow box stuff. It's okay.
It's like Thanksgiving.
It's all bells.
That's pretty much it. Now we can make like 6 more of these today.
Yeah, we got about
30 people coming
Oh,
in.
yeah,
Maybe.
yeah.
about 80 or no, yeah, you have people guys coming over.
Well, when it's free, you're going to get a lot of people, I'm telling you. Look at that pie.
Last year looks awesome.
All right, so next,
Let's pop it in the oven.
we're going to put it in the wood-fired oven.
And
We'll
that is hot.
Oh, look at this. There it goes. It shouldn't take long because we're at a high temperature, and you can see the temperature. Now they're way above 550. We're coming down. All right.
Looking good.
A little lubrication. Like that. A little bit of cheese on top. Just to combine all those flavors.
I think there's a song called Turkey and Cheese. Isn't there?
That's it. That's pretty cool. Turkey goes good with cheese. Real good.
Turkey for you, turkey for me. Oh, check it out.
The sun's on it too. That crunch.
Yeah. Nice crunch.
The first
Oh, yeah.
Thanksgiving pizza.
Cinnamon in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Heat it up.
Cool.
All right.
Okay.
This is the part that we're going to eat in front of you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the size of that.
Look at that. Crust is perfect.
Cool.
Crust is
All that's
perfect.
missing right now is the turkey.
Yep. We'll get one later, hopefully.
Oh,
Fantastic.
Turkey dinner on a steak.
Hmm.
the potatoes, the turkey meatball, all comes together.
Wow.
Well done.
Hey
All right,
guys,
Warden.
how's everybody doing?
Warden, we got a turkey pizza for you. The Pilgrims did this too.
Just got out of the woods. Jitterbug got a nice buck this morning.
All right.
I get here just in time for lunch.
Oh yeah.
Cheers, Sam. Oh, that tastes like Thanksgiving, man.
That's great.
That's perfect.
So you can't, since Jitter's not here to do his turkey call, you can't do one for us? You just can't compete.
My throat and my age.
All right, we'll have Jitter over later. All right,
This is excellent.
Awesome.
Excellent. Well done.
thank you, Warren.
So the next time you're looking for a turkey pizza or any pizza, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Well done, Chef.